Okay, first of all, it's like basics of probability, right? So I think you already know this, right? So yeah, probability, it just multiplies. So if you have like each cases of event, like event 1 and event 2, okay, then the probability for this event only is half, okay, and also this event only is half, all right. Then if you want these both events occurring together, then you always multiply these two, right? So that kind of basics of probability you should know to figure out the answers for genetics. Okay, next page 116. So from here we actually focus on the real genetics, okay. So what we're doing in this chapter, okay, when you remember meiosis, okay, so let's say this is like a parent cell, all right, and even though this has like a 46 chromosomes, okay, we're just going to focus on one gene, okay. One gene is actually contained in one homologous pair, right? So I'm just going to focus on like just one pair of chromosome out of 23 chromosomes, okay? So in here, at a special location on the chromosome, we're going to have this gene, right? Remember, these homologous pairs, okay? So homologous pairs is actually kind of different. They are similar chromosome that contains the same information, but specifically they have different information containing, right? So they have like information, let's say like hair color. Okay, I'm just giving you an example, all right? So hair color information is contained in both these chromosomes, okay? But this actually states that hair color is blue. Oh, blue hair color, no, okay. Okay, hair color is blonde, okay, and this is brown, let's say, okay? And from now on, we're going to say that this gene that actually determines the trait of blonde, that is called large A, okay? And this is called small a, like this, okay? So now, at this location on the chromosome, we have A gene and A gene. Okay, and that came from mother and that came from father, or vice versa. All right, so this information is contained right now, and in the parent cell, right? So in the sex, in the reproductive organ, sex organ. Okay, then if this goes through meiosis, okay, producing gametes, then what happens is after meiosis 1 and 2, okay, then you have gametes produced, right? So this is going to be separated into these two. You know what I mean? Okay? So after meiosis 1 and 2, these two are going to be actually separated, right? Homologous pair actually gets separated, and the sister chromatid also actually gets separated as well. All right? So as a result of this meiosis, these two kinds of gametes will get produced, right? Okay? Then, if these two actually fertilizes with another parent cell, so this is parent cell 1, okay, let's say this is female, okay, and all right, there's another parent cell, okay, so here in this person, this is male, another parent cell. Okay, so different person has the same chromosome, number 1, okay? And then here they have this information at the same location, right? Okay, then if this goes through meiosis like this, then this is also going to produce gametes like this. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's say these two people, okay, actually get married, all right, and then they fertilize, okay, then the probability of each gene combination, okay, so this can meet this one, right, this sperm can meet this egg, or this sperm can meet this egg, right, or this sperm can meet this egg, or this sperm can meet this egg, right, so if we actually